Ciao, I'm Chiara from Perfil e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and summer blouse. This is a very easy and fast project, perfect for beginners. For this project I use a Tropez from Mondial. I will use 3 skeins of this beautiful color, a 5.5mm hook and a smaller one for the band. Now we are going to create 2 rectangles. We will need to work a foundation chain with a multiple of 10 plus 2 extra chains. So now we're going to chain 72. Now that we have chained the 72, we do 1 single crochet in the second chain from hook. Now we do 1 single crochet in the next chain and do this all the way along the row. Now chain 3, then turn the garment over, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, then we skip 4 stitches, then we do a group of 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets. Chain 2, then 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 1, then skip the next 4 stitches. And now we do a V-stitch. V-stitch means 1 double crochet, then chain 2, then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, then skip 4 stitches once again. And now we do another group in the next stitch. So we do 3 double crochets. Chain 2, then 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 1, then skip 4 stitches, and then we do a V-stitch in the next one. So we do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. And repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Now chain 1, then we skip the last 4 stitches, and now we do 2 double crochets in the last stitch to complete row 2. And now we will start row 3. Chain 3, then turn the garment over, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And now we are going to repeat the same sequence of the previous row. So we do a group of 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same group of the previous row. Now chain 1, then we move directly into the V-stitch. So here we do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet, chain 1, and we jump into the group of the previous row and we repeat this group. So 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. And continue this sequence until the end of this row. Now we do 2 double crochets in the third chain to complete row 3. And now let's repeat this row together one more time. So chain 3, then turn the garment over, and then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and we move into this space, then we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, then 3 double crochets. Now chain 1, then we move directly into the next V-stitch, where we do another V-stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2, then 1 double crochet, chain 1, and now let's repeat this 20 more times. Remember to do 2 double crochets into the third chain to complete each row. Okay, now we've worked 23 rows, and these are the measures, because now my rectangle is 36 centimeters long and 40 centimeters wide. And now we are ready to cut the yarn and leave a long tail. We will use it to sew the 2 rectangles together. Here's another one I've made earlier. So now let's take the shoulder measurement. We attach a marker to the top about 10-11 centimeters from the corner, and then do the same to the other side. And now let's take the measurement of the armhole on the left side. So we attach a mark at about 70 centimeters from the corner, and then do the same on the right side. Now you're ready to sew the part of the shoulders and the side of the armhole using your tapestry needle. Now all the parts are sewn, so now we are going to do a band to attach to the base of the blouse. Pay attention, this band must be smaller than the width of the blouse because this band has a stretching ability. So now we change the hook and grab the smaller one, then chain 27. Now we do 1/2 double crochet in the third chain from hook, and we do this in back loop. And continue to do 1/2 double crochet in each chain and in the back loop only, all the way along this row. Okay, now we have 25 stitches. All we have to do now is chain 2, do not count as a stitch, then we do 1/2 double crochet all the way along this row and in back loop. So let's do this always in back loop, so we will have an elastic stitch. So now let's repeat this, and remember to do this in back loop until we reach the length about 64 centimeters or 25 inches. Okay, now my band is 10 centimeters wide and 64 centimeters long. So now we cut the yarn and leave a very long tail to sew the band. Okay, now we are going to fold the band in half, and we are going to sew the two ends together using a tapestry needle. And now we are ready to put some clips to help the sewing. We put the first clip here in the center and then just come to the one side and stretch. So let's sew all the way around. So my button band is now attached, and now turn the blouse inside out. And remember to weave the tail using tapestry needle inside the garment. The Tropez blouse is now complete. The size of this blouse is small, but it's easy to adapt the blouse to another size. All you have to do is measure your hips, add a few centimeters, then divide by 2, and we have the width of the rectangle. This stitch is a very easy, nice and fast partner, so this is a beginner friendly project. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you created your Tropez blouse. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!